What's up? This is going to be my video showing you how to jailbreak the 4.2.1 firmware using Redsnow. Now this jailbreak works for all devices that run the 4.2.1 firmware, also known as the 4.2 firmware. Now this jailbreak uses Redsnow that works for Windows and Mac, and it's a very simple process as long as you follow the steps in this video. Now, this jailbreak works for the iPhone 3G, iPhone 3GS, new and old bootrom, iPhone 4, iPod Touch 2G, iPod Touch 3G, and iPod Touch 4G, and iPad. Now the iPod Touch 2G works for the MC and MB model. Now, this jailbreak is tethered for the following devices: iPhone 4, iPhone 3GS, new bootrom, iPod Touch 4G, iPod Touch 3G, and 2G MC model. Now, basically a tethered jailbreak means that anytime your device runs out of battery or you turn the power off, you have to rerun Redsnow and then check just boot tethered and then put your device into DFU mode. Then you can open up Cydia and your jailbreak related apps. So now after you're done those steps, you're simply going to go into your browser and then go to felix.de/ipod/firmware. Now this link will be in the description. So you're going to find your device, for example the iPhone 3G running the 4.2.1 firmware, as you can see right there, and then you simply download the firmware for the following devices that you are using for this jailbreak, and then you just exit out of your browser. Now you open up Redsnow. And once you open up Redsnow, you'll go to Browse, and then browse for the iPhone 4.2.1 firmware for your following device. Then you'll open it, and then it'll process the firmware, and then it'll say IPSW successfully identified. So then you'll hit Next, and then it'll prepare jailbreak data. Now at this point, you'll make sure that your iPhone or iPod Touch or iPad is plugged into your computer, and then you can proceed to the next step. So now what you're going to do is install Cydia and enable battery percentage, but the main thing to install is Cydia. And then you have all these other add-ons only if you have the iPhone 3G and iPod Touch 2G, and I think iPhone 3GS old bootrom. Now, install a custom bundle, basically install a custom firmware. Then verbose boot is the boot. When you open up, when you turn on your iPhone, it shows a whole bunch of text. And then custom boot logo, you can change your boot logo instead of the Apple logo to anything you want. And then when you're in recovery mode, you can change that logo as well. Now, enable multitasking gives you the ability to enable native iPhone or iPod Touch or iPad multitasking. But this is only for the iPhone 3G and iPod Touch 2G. But in my opinion, multitasking slows your device down a considerable amount. Now, enabling home screen wallpaper is fine because it doesn't drain your battery or anything like that. Now, just boot tethered is going to be the mode that if you have a tethered device, you're simply going to check just boot tethered, and then it'll uncheck all of the rest that you have checked, and then you'll simply follow the next steps just as if you were jailbreaking. So then you'll hit Next after that. And then you see that says, please make sure your iDevice is both off and plugged into the computer. So you're going to click Next only when your device is both off and plugged in. Alright, so my device is now off. So then once you hit Next, be ready to enter DFU mode right away. So then the first thing that you'll need to do is hold down the power button. Then without releasing the power button, hold down the home button for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then after that, you'll just simply release the power button and then hold the home button for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now as you can see, it says waiting for reboot, and it's in the jailbreaking stage. And now you should see a white screen on your iPhone or iPod Touch. Now it should say downloading jailbreak data and uploading RAM disk on your iPhone. Now you should see a whole bunch of text on your device, and it is rebooting. So the rest of the process takes place on your device, and now you're finished to jailbreak. So simply wait for it to reboot, and then you are finished. Now for the newer devices that are tethered, you'll have to go back into Redsnow and then boot your device tethered, since your cydia, you'll notice that your cydia can't open. Alright, so thank you for watching this video on how to jailbreak your device on the 4.2.1 firmware. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and rate 5 stars. Thanks for watching.